Drone giant DJI has officially entered the action camera ring, and it came out swinging. DJI's Osmo Action promises excellent image stabilization to take on GoPro's Hero7 Black. Plus, it has a few extras that might make GoPro sweat. So how does the Osmo Action compare to GoPro's top-of-the-line Hero7 Black? We put the two cameras to the test on twisty back roads and the bustling, hellish center of the universe, Times Square. Even when strapped to my very vibrating Harley-Davidson, GoPro's tech produced a buttery smooth image. Now let's take a look at how well the Osmo Action stabilization deals with your shaky footage. Not bad, which shouldn't come as a surprise, since DJI has been working on image stabilization tech in its drone cameras and gimbals for years. But how does stabilized footage on the Osmo Action look next to footage shot on the Hero7 Black when Hypersmooth's turned on? As you can see, both cameras do a great job cutting out the shakes and bumps you'd see in non-stabilized footage. It's so close, it's almost impossible to tell which is which, besides the much tighter field of view on the Osmo Action. In addition to impressive image stabilization, the $350 Osmo Action packs in-camera time-lapse, slow-mo, and even HDR video, a feature the $400 Hero7 Black lacks. The DJI also has a front-facing full-color screen and a bigger, crisper rear screen than the GoPro. So when it comes to image stabilization, it's basically a toss-up. That means the extra features on the Osmo Action deliver capabilities that the Hero7 simply doesn't have. But ultimately, it may just come down to price. The Osmo Action is currently $50 cheaper than the Hero7 Black, and that just might tip the scales in DJI's favor, which is bad news for GoPro.